Hey guys, it's Carlos from Your House Fitness, and today we're talking about ankle weights. So ankle weights are an inexpensive piece of equipment you can get at home to add some variation and load to your exercises. They can be pretty cheap, anywhere from $10 to $20, $30, depending on which ones you get and how much weight you get. There's some that are 5 pounds, some 10, 20, 30 pounds. You can really pick which one you need for your certain exercises. There's also some ankle weights like the ones I have that are adjustable, where you can take out some of the weight. So for some exercises where it's a little bit too difficult, you can take some of those weights out. If it's a little bit too easy, you can add some in. So if you're looking for some, I would suggest something like that. But anyways, today we're going to be talking about the exercises you can do with the ankle weights, so we'll get straight into it.
Now the first exercise we're going to be doing is the donkey kick. Now you could do the donkey kick without the ankle weight, but having that load is definitely going to make it a lot more engaging on that glute. So you really want to focus on your glute, driving that heel up towards the ceiling without extending your ribs. Doing these for a couple reps, you'll definitely feel that glute activation. Our next exercise is our fire hydrant. Now this, we're working on hip abduction, so we're really bringing that leg out to the side, really feeling that glute medius muscle working. And again, we want to keep a neutral spine here, so we're not rotating our spine at all. We're trying to keep our ribs down, core engaged. Next we got our bird dog. For the bird dog, you're going to be extending the opposite leg and the opposite arm, pushing your leg straight back to the wall behind you, making sure that we're not extending the spine too much. This is an anti-rotation movement, so we don't want to be rotating here in the hips or in the spine. Now we got our lateral leg kicks. So this exercise, we're working again abduction, so bringing that leg out to your side, feeling that glute medius muscle. The ankle weights really do well for this exercise, especially if you don't have any more equipment. Now we have our knee raise. Depending on the tempo of this exercise, you can make this more of a cardio exercise, but for this case, we're doing it more for our hip flexors. So bringing those knees up, keeping our core nice and tight. This is an amazing exercise for any runners out there. Now we have our leg extension. Now this exercise is very difficult to do at home if you don't have a machine. But with ankle weights, some leg extensions can really target your quadricep muscles. So a couple reps here. All you need is something to sit on, and you can start extending your legs and really working those quads. Now the next exercise is our hamstring curl. So this exercise works on knee flexion, so we're really going to target those hamstring muscles in the thigh. All we have to do is bring the heel up towards our glutes, making sure we're standing nice and tall. This is awesome with the ankle weights. You can really feel the muscles contracting.
Alright guys, that is it for this video on ankle weights. I hope you guys enjoyed all the exercises you can do with the ankle weights. Now the ankle weights are great to build muscular endurance, so do about 15 to 20 reps with these exercises. Really working on that mind-muscle connection so you're targeting the right muscles. So thanks again guys, I'll see you guys for that next video. See ya.